Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Hey, I'm back with another neat little fix for you. You ever get those foam pads that are on your headphones, you know, and they rot and fall off and crumble away? Well, I'm getting tired of replacing them. So I got a fix for that. And all you need is an old koozie. You know, that keeps your beer warm. Get one of these. What I'm going to do is trace around here and cut out little circles, cut a hole in the middle, and glue them on here. Okay, I already cut the bottom off. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the koozie open like that. Then, lay it up here. A marker. Draw a circle around here. Then cut this out. There's the other one. Yeah, I can trim them down a little bit so they don't hang out quite as much. But I'm going to put this part to the inside and we'll have the black on the outside. I also need to cut a hole in the center here. So what I'm going to do is get like a oil washer. I'll grab one here. Now, there we go. Now I'm going to get some glue on here. This is Gorilla Glue. And I use it for a lot of fixes. You'll see them on other things I fixed. I'll go ahead and get them both glued up. There we go. Now, put it on here, like so. And that might just stay like that, but I thought I would take a little piece of wood, put it on there like so. And I have these little clamps. And I thought I would clamp down on, whoops, on this. There. Another little clamp there. There we go. Now I'll let that dry for about a half hour and take those off. Kind of like Kilroy here, huh? Well, there they are. Been drying for a little while. So I'm going to take the clamps off. The boards off. And voila, there they are. Should be good to go. Nice cushy little pads on there. That beats the heck out of that hard surface that I had on there where it kind of gives you an earache when you have that hard plastic against your ears. And I'll bet you them will last a little longer, quite a bit longer probably, than these foam things that end up rotting away and crumbling away. Why, this might be a permanent fix. Another neat little invention, I guess. Remember, if you can't impress them with intelligence, have them with bullshit.